Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki and I'm so glad to have you here. This is going to be a really cool topic and a really smart topic that I've not seen anyone else do. Now, granted, I don't get to spend all my time on YouTube, but I haven't seen this particular topic covered before. And when you hear about it, it's probably going to make a whole lot of sense because it did to me. And that is tips from the homeless on staying alive. Because let's face it, sadly, homeless people are truly the ones who are dealing with an SHTF situation of some sort every single day. So, how do they stay alive? So, let's delve into this and find out. Today, we are discussing unconventional wisdom, survival tips from the homeless. Homelessness is a challenging and often overlooked issue that affects individuals worldwide. Despite the difficulties they face, homeless individuals possess a unique set of survival skills that can offer valuable insights for anyone seeking to adapt to adverse circumstances. We will look at some of the survival tips that can be learned from the homeless population, shedding light on their resourcefulness, resilience, and adaptability. Resourcefulness in scavenging. Homeless people often rely on scavenging for food, clothing, and shelter. Their resourcefulness in finding usable items in unexpected places can teach us to be observant and creative when seeking resources in challenging situations. Adapting to changing environments. Homeless individuals must constantly adapt to changes in weather, locations, and circumstances. This adaptability underscores the importance of flexibility and the ability to adjust to unexpected challenges. Building support networks. Many homeless individuals form close-knit communities to share resources, information, and support. This highlights the significance of building strong social networks that can provide assistance and companionship in times of need. Making the most of limited resources. Homeless individuals excel at making the most of limited resources, often reusing items in innovative ways. This encourages us to be mindful of waste and to maximize the utility of what we have. Navigating public services. Homeless individuals often possess detailed knowledge of local resources, such as shelters, food banks, and healthcare services. Learning to navigate and access these services can be invaluable in challenging times. Street smarts and safety. Homeless individuals have honed their street smarts and developed instincts for personal safety. Their ability to assess risks, avoid dangerous situations, and trust their instincts can inform our own safety practices. Resilience in the face of adversity. Homeless individuals face daily challenges and hardships, yet many exhibit remarkable resilience and a positive outlook. Their ability to find joy and hope, even in difficult circumstances, offers a lesson in maintaining mental strength during adversity. Appreciating the basics. With limited access to luxuries, homeless individuals often have a deep appreciation for the basic necessities of life, such as food, clean water, and shelter. This reminds us to be grateful for what we have and to avoid taking essentials for granted. Building survival skills. Some homeless individuals possess survival skills, such as fire making, finding safe places to sleep, and foraging for edible plants. These skills are transferable to emergency situations and can aid in self-reliance. Embracing minimalism. Homeless individuals are experts at living with minimal possessions. Embracing a simpler lifestyle can help us reduce clutter, focus on what truly matters, and prepare for unexpected changes. Survival tips from the homeless community underscores the importance of resourcefulness, adaptability, community building, and appreciation for the essentials. While homelessness is a complex issue that requires systemic solutions, acknowledging and learning from the survival skills of the homeless can help us gain a deeper understanding of their experiences while also enriching our own ability to navigate uncertainties and adversities. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something from the video. I hope it makes you think about the homeless situation a little bit more. It's a sad plight that a lot of people end up in, and they do end up having to truly be survivalists in their own way. Please let me know what you thought. Like, subscribe, comment, all those good things. You know I always love to hear from you. Thank you very much.